Fuck, I almost fucking took off here, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, that was a bit too fast there. Woo! Baby! That was a bit too fast. I bet my suspensions didn't like that. Ooh. I kinda botched the gear change here from third to fourth on this Sport Auto tranny. I don't know if it picked it up on the video or not, but the revs went almost up to like 7,000. The revs went up to the revs went up like up to like almost 7,000, which is a bit scary. I don't want to destroy the engine because I don't have upgraded camshafts, so. Oh, someone's down to race with me, huh? Nice. There's a guy following behind me. Down to race with me, huh? Ah, I like that. Like it a lot. Ah, boy. And it seemed kind of equal when I was accelerating there. It was kind of equal. I like that. Ah ha ha! Yeah, boy! Ha ha ha! That was fun. That was fun. Oh boy! Oh, that was nice. That was nice. One more try. Ah, fuck me. I just keep falling out of boost. Let's do it anyway. No luck tonight, huh? I know I'll probably give it one last try just before I reach my home, but I guess no luck tonight with the second gear change. Don't do something dumb, man, come on. hello, police. There's a curve I like here. I like this curve. Alright. Let's park it in. Ooh. I was having a hard time engaging the reverse here. That's the problem of using an automatic transmission rated for 110 horsepower when you have 210 horsepower. Alright, look at the nice camera. I'm not gonna let it run too long because it's almost 1 a.m. People are sleeping and this car is noisy as fuck. The good smell of a hot engine. I love it. Let's take a look at this baby. Oh yeah, that's fucking hot in there. It's fucking hot in there. Ooh, so much heat. Such a nice engine though. I know it's not the fastest, but it's fast enough and it's nice. I'm just gonna leave it open for the night. Try not to forget my shit. HKS. And I got the real HKS stuff. HKS filter, HKS blow-off valve, and this is a Grady turbo. I'm actually waiting for my Grady stickers and Trust stickers because why not? I mean, I like to use stickers of the brands that I use. Some people like to use stickers of brands that they don't use, but personally I only use stickers of brands that I use. Thanks for watching. Anyway, see you in the next one.